shark, pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby shark in the ocean blue, found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, 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 pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. La 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 la. Skeleton party, boom boom boom. Birthday skeleton, shake your bones. Clap clap clap. Rattle rattle rattle. Happy birthday, let's go go go. 5 little skeletons came to the party. Dancing, dancing, super hardy. One skeleton brought a big, big cake, but his head fell off. Mistake, mistake. Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Shake your bones and wiggle, wiggle. They played musical chairs. Oh, what fun! One skeleton sat, but he had no bum. He fell right through with the bony crash. All the skeletons laughed. Clack, clack, clash. Blow the candles. Puff, puff, puff. Skeleton tried, but he had no cheeks to puff. He used his bony fingers instead. Candles went out. Yay, 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 he said.
Funny action part.
Shake your head, rattle, rattle. Shake your arms, clack, clack, clack. Shake your legs, click, click, click. Skeleton dance, don't fall apart. All the skeletons ate the cake so fast. They got so full, their tummies went boom at last. They hugged each other with bony arms. Best birthday party full of charms. Hurt you? Skeleton party, boom, boom, boom. Happy birthday, shake, shake, shake. Clap, clap, clap. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Best skeleton birthday, yay, yay, yay. For choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo choo, where do we go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signal I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation, stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way high. Follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo choo, back on track. No more turning left or right. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!
Is it an animal that's moving? I can't tell. We should.
Pop, 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 balloon so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play cow. Counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it bursts, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's all play. Two balloons, count with me. Three green balloons start to dance. They say, give us one more chance. Baby laugh, shark look shocked. These balloons are talking a lot. Oh wow, wow, what is this? Baby runs, shark swims fast, trying to pop them at last. Pop one hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic, wide awake. Baby claps, shark says, wow, this is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere.